How to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. So let's get started. This is often useful when Chrome mistakenly flags save files as dangerous. Be careful though, disabling these features can make your device more vulnerable to malicious files. So first of all you have to do is open the Google Chrome on your device. Once in there, simply tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll have to tap on the settings. Then at the left-hand side panel, tap on the privacy and security. Then inside privacy and security, you will get to see safe browsing option available there. All you have to do is select safe browsing. Then inside safe browsing, toggle off the standard protection or any protection that is toggled on. All you have to do is tap on the downward arrow. Then there you can see standard or safe protection option available. Simply toggle that switch off, tapping on the no protection. Confirm the warning pop-up to proceed. This stops Chrome from blocking downloads, but do not leave this setting off permanently. Turn it back on after your download is complete. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.